get some of this water. Oh man, this is good. Aquafina. Yeah, Aquafina water. So it's good. Anyway, let's start the video. I had a question in one of the comments. Like I like to share with you these comments that I be having that got me to think. It resonated in my mind. I said, let me answer the question, because I like to answer the questions. Anyway, somebody left in one of the comments, one of the videos. I ain't gonna tell you which video. It said, "What do you believe in?" I don't think it was a hater, but the way the comment was formed, I'm not gonna tell you everything else in the comments. But it said, "What do you believe in?" So I said, I could clap back, I could come back, but just let me tell you what I believe in on this aspect of YouTube. Because as you get to know me, if you watch my other videos, you know what I believe in. You know who I believe in. But pertaining to YouTube, this is what I believe. And that's what we're going to talk about today, what I believe. I believe everybody has people that's assigned to them. Those that are serious about YouTube. If you're serious about YouTube and you know you have a gift, you know you have something to share, you got an experience that happened to you and you overcame that experience, you came out of that experience, and you thank God that you came out of that experience, you might have had scars. I believe everybody have people assigned to them. And the people that's assigned to them are searching for the answer. It might be on YouTube, it might be on Facebook, it might be on Instagram or TikTok. They're searching for answers. I'm talking about those who are searching for answers to help them live a life worth living instead of living a life of survival. Those people. I ain't talking about those people who just looking on those social media platforms just to look. No, I'm talking about people searching for answers. And the main place they're searching for answers is YouTube. Don't think it's strange that you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're coming up with all these challenges from you posting, from you putting up videos for what you want to talk about. Don't think it's strange. But I believe everybody who is serious, that want to share their gift, their experience, they have people that's assigned to them. They're searching for them, searching for answers. And the answers that they're searching for, you have them. Put your name there. You have the answer. Type in the comment, I have the answer for those that's assigned to me. Hashtag, I am the answer. That's what I believe. The next thing I believe, man, you are the only one who could answer that question. You are the only one that can answer that question. What question you talking about? The answer that people are searching for. I believe every question has an answer attached to it. So if somebody's typing in the feed or typing in the Google search a question that pertains to an answer that you have the answer. So since you have the answer and there's people assigned to you, what do I believe? You have the answer. So since you have the answer, why not you share that answer? Get out of your head and get into your heart knowing that you have people assigned to you. And share that gift. Share that answer. Share the answer so those that's assigned to you can see you. Feel your heart. Because a lot of people don't care what you know, but they want to know how much you care. Share your answer to their situation. And now, what else do I believe? Oh, man. You are made for such a time as this. You are made for such a time as this. Because one of the challenges that I had, see, past tense, had. And you might still have these challenges until you get this understanding. You was made for such a time as this. I was made for such a time as this. Yeah, I started the channel in 2012. I got off. I made videos and stopped. I made videos and stopped because I felt nobody was listening to my videos. Nobody was watching my channel. Nobody wanted to hear what I had to say. Yeah, I went through that to come to where I'm at now. I understand that there's people assigned to me. But Why didn't I understand it back then? Because you don't get understanding until you get the knowledge. Because there's one thing I realize. The difference between wisdom and knowledge is understanding. You can get all the knowledge you want. You get the knowledge of how to create a YouTube channel. You get the knowledge of how to upload videos. And then you get the wisdom on. If you upload videos at this time, if you look at the algorithm and you look at the analytics, you upload videos this time, you'll get more views. If you put this thumbnail over here, you'll get more views because they're looking at your thumbnail. But you got the knowledge of how to do the thumbnails and how to upload at certain times because of analytics, because somebody with wisdom told you. But then you say, how do I do it? How do I upload at certain times? Where do I find the analytics to say where I upload at certain times? How do I make the thumbnails put it like this? How do I make the thumbnails look like, something somebody click upon? The bridge between knowledge and wisdom is understanding. You got the knowledge to make the thumbnail because somebody shared their wisdom on how to make the thumbnail. Now the understanding comes in. Oh man, I could use Canva to make the thumbnail just like that person made the thumbnail that got them 1 million or 100,000 views. The understanding, go to Canva and make that thumbnail just like that. If I don't know how to make the thumbnail, what I got to do? Oh, I can go to Fiverr and get them to make the thumbnail because that's my understanding now. I don't have to make it. I get somebody else to make it. The bridge between knowledge and wisdom is understanding. You got all the knowledge, go on the internet. You got all the wisdom, those people who's already done what you're trying to accomplish. Now you got to get the understanding, so how to accomplish that which you say you want to accomplish. That's what I believe. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. That's why I'm sharing these videos. That's why I'm creating all these videos in this short amount of time. It's not even 3 months yet. I'm already at 115 videos I created. Between the lives, between the videos I uploaded. I understand there's people waiting to hear my voice. There's people that's assigned to me in this YouTube universe, and they're outside the universe who's just going on Google's trying to answer their own questions. I might pop up. You might pop up. There's a lot of people might pop up. But when they hear you speak, they hear the authenticity in your voice. They hear authenticity in your response to the question that they were searching for. That's what I believe. What do you believe? Type in the comments what you believe pertaining to YouTube. Because we can go on a whole little different tangent, what you believe in. But we're talking about YouTube now. I'm not going down that rabbit hole because I don't like going down rabbit holes. Because I stay down there too long and come up, I'll be too hungry. But anyway, let's stay focused. What do you believe? Type in the comments. I want to hear what you have to say about this topic we're talking about. So, like I always say, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. Until next time, God bless.